Welcome back to my channel, where I give insights on career, business, work from home, side hustle, and freelancing opportunities. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you, as in my previous video, I said I would have shown you how to do other gigs that don't need any experience, no special skill, and very easy to do. Tonight, we'll be looking at virtual assistants. And virtual assistant is like persons who are doing like I want to show you like a virtual assistant for I'll be your professional virtual assistant, and this person have 22 orders in queue. So if you can calculate, she's doing for the basic package, she charge $10, 1 hour of virtual assistant data entry copy, 2-day delivery. So this is $10, and if it's all the basic package, this is 220 US. Maybe it is even a standard, which is $40. $40 times 28, 40 times 22 orders equal to 880 US dollars. And if it's a premium, it is $75, and she's doing 4-day delivery, 12 hour of work. So maybe it's a premium and she has 22 orders. So 22 times 75, that is 1,650 US dollars she'll be making. So as I said, you don't need any special skills or no experience to work on Fiverr in some of the gigs. So you can do a virtual assistant, and some of them, well, I don't need, you don't know have to do this is WordPress website redesign. You don't have to do that, but some simple one like web research, Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Scrolling videos. I personally maybe want to watch their videos and give them opinions. Data entry. Data entry is going on the website and searching, like people want to give you a research tool, and you can Word Word to PDF conversion, PDF to Word. And there's tools out there where you don't have to pay any money to do this job. For instance, this tool is called smallpdf.com, and for free, there's a free version, and you pay the pro is $9 per month, the team $7 per month. For the free, only 2 documents you can process per day. For the pro, you process unlimited document, because if you're working for customer, you maybe have about 10 orders, so you need to do buy this one. And in my opinion, you have to spend money to make money. So you have to pay for the pro, and it will do the conversion. They do both. They do conversion from PDF to Word or Word to PDF. So you can go and just sign up for the smallpdf.com, and it do both things. So it's not that like you have to be pulling your teeth. You have social media accounts creation. That is, if you can do like um, Facebook for customers, Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram page, and you use Canva to do, like they tell you that they need a graphics. You use Canva and you do the job and send it to them. And it's a Canva related task. Canva is a software that you can do make designs for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, product uploading. Very easy task. So you see, it is not like you have to be pulling your teeth. You don't need a bachelor's degree to do virtual assistant. There's simple skill that you can take from whatever you have now and just sign up for Fiverr and get a side hustle. As I said, I am on this site now, Fiverr. October the 6th was my birthday, and I remember 2013 it came on, and I won't say the company name. They were interviewing on Sunrise on TVJ. I said to myself, you know, I gotta invest in myself and pay for this course. And I paid $15,000, and I went Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. No, you're getting this for free. And some persons are still hesitant and not doing it. and I'm still in person. Said, Lord, I'm not making ends meet. And I'm telling you, I use this job as my side hustle, and I can do things. I even sometimes the pay is not enough, but I can do, and this job helps me to do more things. So it's a very good opportunity for you to take up any skill on Fiverr and you can do it for a 9 to 5 if you want, or as a side hustle with your 9 to 5. Right now, I am still working. I do a 9 to 5 job and I do it as a side hustle, and it's very benefiting. So you can do it. I'll be your personal assistant. And there's even a skill one that you can do telephone calls. So you can even put in telephone. You don't need no special skill, or you have to do is to talk in proper English, and you can do it. And I made up a gig. I will make telephone calls for you to USA and Canada. And what a service that I offer: scheduling and travel arrangement calls, real estate calls, confirm and set appointments, confirm receipt of event invitations, and handle RSVPs, follow up on previous sales call, customer service call, B2B calling, mystery call, and shopping. So you can go ahead, as I tell you, what to do when you're on Fiverr. You can just go ahead and you spin, like for instance, go ahead and, like, if you want to make a telephone call, gig, just go on it, and you're not won't be doing it word for word, but you can just, I'll make telephone call for you to USA and Canada. And you can go ahead and just spin what they said, and like edit edit it. You don't have to put in word for word, but it's a good website that you can make US dollars. So please take the opportunity, man. Stop the hesitant. Because I'm still hearing person saying, oh, I can't make ends meet at my children to send to school. And they are not taking the opportunity to go on Fiverr and do some simple skills without any experience or any special requirements. And I tell you, I am there 9 years. Fiverr sent me the 5th of October, Fiverr anniversary, 9 years on Fiverr. And I can show you I'm on Fiverr. Here's my profile. So it's not a gimmick. You can make money on this website. So there, member since October 2013. And I remember my birthday was October 6th, and I did this for my birthday. So it is a very good website. You can go there and make some money. And stop saying that, oh God, it is hard. 9 to 5 job is not doing anything. You can go persons on Fiverr are making a lot of US dollar. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please take the leap of faith and sign up on Fiverr and do some simple skills. You can, maybe you can do Instagram posts, you can do anything you set your heart desire. If you're even a pharmacist, you can do some put it in pharmacy. So if you're even a pharmacist, versus here I will create pharmacist. I will pharmacy clinic, dental hospital. I will do medicine pharmacist, doctor, guest post. So there's a lot of things you can do. If even you're a pharmacist, if you can make phone calls, if you can do graphic design, if you're working for a graphic design company, you can come on Fiverr and do the job in the part-time. But even me, I do transcription jobs, and I work a 9 to 5 job, but when I come home, I sit on the computer till about even 2 o'clock in the morning, or if I have an even shift, and do this job. It is very feasible, and it's a way of supplementing my income. And I can even take it, use what I make, buy things online, save. It is very profitable. So please take action. Stop being hesitant and sign up for Fiverr today and do the skills. There's a lot of skills you can do: graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and ani- animation, music and audio. If you can sing, if you can design a website, you're doing it in your job. Sometimes you're doing it in a 9 to 5 job. So you can do it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and take the action today. Thank you.